I'm sick and tired of seeing red roses on Valentine's Day, so I started doing yellow roses.
Although I love doing red roses for Valentine's Day, I figured I would put one out there for all my lonely friendship people. So I did a yellow rose instead, and I start this one off with a base color of an orange. It's kind of an orangey yellow. Anyways, I will work my way around creating these C shape or swirls, and they kind of just stack on top of each other as I work my way around that entire nail. Kind of change it up every now and then. Once it gets a little bit bigger, then these petals will get thicker as well. I work it and keep on working it. Using just the point of the brush here, we continue to work our way all the way around. I think you guys kind of get the idea here, but this video needed to be extra long for some reason, and we're just gonna go with it. I don't know. Afterwards, we can get either a lighter shade of yellow, or in this case, I'm pretty sure I use white, and I just add some highlights to this rose all the way throughout the whole thing. Some petals have highlights, some don't. I come back in with a darker shade of yellow here just to add some shadowing inside my petals, and I finish it off with a top coat just to give us that finished look. Hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and have a great day.